Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix split fiction game lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuttering issue on PC. So let's go through the method. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, just you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Here are the both minimum as well as recommended requirements. Make sure your PC have all the required specs that is mentioned over here, and after that try to launch the game, then check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now here I am showing you an example. Right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to move the game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you are suggested to move the game to SSD and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. You can easily check this by going to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that here you have to click on storage and here we'll find whether the game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if your game is on another drive, you simply have to select it and after selecting it, click on move option to the SSD, and once your game is moved to SSD, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files is verified, launch the game and check if you can play it. Run the game as administrator is the next solution. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it's opening now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that you have to go to the search option. From here you have to search for Windows security. After that from here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings and after that here you have to search for the game whether it's registered or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background processes tab you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it and after that right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that go to the search option, search for settings. After that here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, click on Steam, go to Steam option and here you have to select the game. Under library sections right click on it, click on properties and under general you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Similarly for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options and then launch the game and check. Next is to clear download cache. So for that go to Steam, under you have to click on the Steam option and after that click on settings. After that click on downloads, then go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again, so simply confirm it. After that log into your Steam account using your username and password and after that try to log into the game or click on the play button of the game and check if the game is launching or not. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, from here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. So simply click on repair. After that, click on yes, and now wait for some time. After you get set up successful, message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally check if the game is launching or not. Next is to update system BIOS. So for that you have to first check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. Finally restart your system and test the game. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. From here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that you have to click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application. Now after you add your game to the list over here, you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Now after that, try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Split Fiction game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Split Fiction game, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not.